Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or visit weather.com.
Stay tuned for your local on the 8s, brought to you by Bank of America. Help the country fight the administration's decision to send military assistance. Live coverage at 10 Eastern on C-SPAN 2 and on C-SPAN.
Really cool.
Anytime, anywhere with Bank of America. Download our app for your smartphone or iPad at bankofamerica.com.
The all-new Weather Channel for iPad. Download it from the App Store today. Now, you're local on the 8s.
Currently, the temperature is 32 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Overnight, mainly clear, low 32, winds light and variable. For Tuesday, sunny, high 51, winds light and variable. And Tuesday night, mostly clear, low 30, winds light and variable. And on Wednesday, mostly cloudy, high 51, winds south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our week ahead.
Nothing compares to Full Force Nature Week.